Okay guys, so I just want to show you another few examples of using this formal method for solving equations. A lot of you have sent me pictures of your work which looks like you've just answered them in your head, which is fine for these sorts of equations. So straight away I can see that x is going to be 6 because 3 lots of 6 is 18, add 2 is 20, but not all equations are going to be simple enough to just do in your head like that, okay? So we do need to get good at using this formal method to allow us to answer any sorts of equations. So when you are solving an equation, you've got to be thinking through a process of, have I got all of my unknowns on one side? Have I isolated the unknowns? Have I now found out what a single unknown is worth? Okay, and those are the three questions you need to ask yourself. So, firstly, have I got unknowns on both sides of the equation? No, they're all on one side of the equation. Okay, so I don't have to worry about that. Have I isolated my unknowns? I haven't, because I've still got this plus 2 here, which I don't want. Okay, now if I want to get rid of plus 2, I'll take 2. But if I do that to one side of the equation, I've got to do it to the other side of the equation. Otherwise, it's not equal anymore. Okay? So, the next step is me just writing out 3x plus 2 take 2 is equal to 20 take 2. Okay? Now, if you are comfortable not writing that step out, that's absolutely fine. But it's just to show you where everything's coming from. So, 3x plus 2 take 2 is equal to 20 take 2. We can now collect our like terms. 3x plus 2 take 2, they'll cancel as we wanted. 20 take 2 is equal to 18. We know what 3 unknowns are equal to. We want to know what a single unknown is equal to. So we're going to divide by 3. Okay? And again, this step you don't have to write down. If you know that 3x divided by 3 is just going to be x, just write that down next. If you know that 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6, you can just write it down. This step here and this step here, they're just in between steps, okay? They're just showing you how we get from this line of an equation to this line of the equation. That's all it's doing, okay? If you are fine with not doing that, then that's absolutely fine. So guys, I want you to quickly, okay, have a look at this equation. 5x plus 3 equals 33. Pause the video, have a go at it. Right guys, you should have had a go at it by now. I'm going to reveal the answer. So, that should be your working out. Now obviously I haven't included 5x plus 3 take 3 equals 33 take 3. I've missed out those lines of equations and I've just gone straight to what it's going to be, okay? Now, that's not right or wrong, that's just my personal preference when solving it, okay? Right guys, you're going to need to watch the second video now.